I would tell them when I would cry. Just to be kind, but it's people who live on my mind. Come inside of my mind. I'm whistling all my demons up and decide. Still thinking I smile, I'm fine, but it's gonna take a while.
Cause I'm all too familiar with this kind of man. Guide